In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name in Gumloop 2026, step by step. Let's get started by opening Gumloop and heading to the main workspace area. Once you're on the site, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the primary navigation panel that helps you move around your account. From there, click on Workflows. This brings you to the section where your automations live. Now, click Create Workflow. We're doing this to enter a workflow canvas, which is a handy place in the app where your account menu is easy to access. Once you're inside the workflow, shift your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen. That's where your profile area appears. Find your profile name there. It usually displays your current name alongside your avatar or account icon. Click on it to open your account menu. In the small menu that appears, click on Settings. This takes you to your account settings page, where personal details like your name can be edited. On the settings page, look for the field labeled full name. This typically shows your first and last name separated into their respective input boxes. To begin, place your cursor next to your current first name and highlight it. With it selected, type your new first name exactly as you want it to appear across Gumloop. Be mindful of capitalization and spelling so it looks professional and consistent. Next, move to your last name. Highlight your current last name in the same way, and then type your new last name. Again, double check for any typos, since this name may be visible to collaborators or within shared workflows. When you're done updating both fields, click anywhere outside the input boxes. This action confirms your edits on the page. Give it a moment to reflect. You should see your updated name appear in your profile area. If it doesn't show right away, a quick refresh of the page usually prompts the interface to display the change. To recap the flow you followed, you opened Gumloop, used the left-hand navigation to go to Workflows, clicked Create Workflow to enter the canvas, accessed your profile name at the bottom right, opened Settings, found the full name section, updated your first and last names, and clicked outside the boxes to finish. That's all it takes to change your name in Gumloop. Take a moment to review the result, and you're all set.